G'day guys and welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a glossy box opening. So I've not done one of these in a little while, so I thought I'd do it. However, I do have a confession to make. I have already opened the glossy box, but I've not read any of the details or anything. I just couldn't wait to see what was in it. So I'm going to actually go through it now with you guys. So let's not waste any more time and let's jump right into the video. So November's glossy box is just your standard pink glossy box, which is super cute. I like to collect these and then I store things in them, so I think they're particularly great for, you know, like face wipes and stuff. If you want to put them somewhere that they're easy to get to, I always use my glossy boxes for that. So as always, you get a little leaflet with it, which is just here. And this one says winter warmers. So they've actually extended them since the last time I did a glossy box unopening. They've done it so that it's really big now, which is even better, so you can see the products. So I'm going to give it a read as always. So it says, hey glossies, slip on your snuggliest jumpers and your fluffiest socks because we're getting in the mood for a roaring fire, spiced lattes, sizzling sparklers and cozy nights in. Our winter warmers edit is filled with enriched lotions, nourishing hair care, shimmering cosmetics, and an extra treat that will seriously warm things up this November. So we're going to take a look at the first product, which is this one here. If it zooms in properly. My camera doesn't like me a lot at the moment. So this is a mud masky product, and this is a Leave Me On winter mask. And it retails at £43.50. Now bear in mind that glossy boxes are £10 a month and then it's like £2.50 shipping. So you've already got your money back just from this one product. Now there was a face mask serum in one of the last boxes that I did. So this is a really good product. This is the Mud Masky Leave On winter mask, and it's protecting, moisturising, ultra repairing, nourishing and anti-aging. Let's have a smell. I've not even opened it. Let's have a smell. I don't think the last one had a scent. I can't get it off. That smells a little bit like baby lotion. I don't know whether that's a good thing or a bad thing. It smells really nice though, and it's very, very thick. It's basically essentially a really thick moisturiser, which obviously with the weather changing is always a good thing. But yeah, it does smell a little bit like baby lotion. So then the next thing on the list is a Rituals product, which I was so shocked about when I first opened the box and just saw it sat there. So this is the Rituals, I can't say this word. Oh God, we're back to this again, guys, where I can't pronounce things. Ayurveda? I'm sure someone will correct me. If you know how to say it, then comment down below. It's this word here. Don't know if it's going to focus in. There you go. And it is a soothing hand balm. And this is a full price product and it's £9.90. They've actually, where I live near a shopping centre called Meadowall in Sheffield. They've actually opened a Ritual shop there, which I'm very happy about. So this is a product just here. It's in a lovely red colour. Very Christmassy and autumnal. Let's have a smell. Oh, it says it's Indian rose and sweet almond oil. So we'll pop this on the other hand. It smells just like, you know when you go to like a posh hotel and they have the little minis? Or like, it smells very spa-y and luxurious. And it does feel a little bit oily, but hopefully after a while it'd soak in really quick. That smells amazing. And again, another full size product. That is so good. So the next thing is a Cetaphil. Again, I don't know if I'm saying that right. A Cetaphil gentle skin cleanser. It's a deluxe mini size, and the deluxe mini is worth £1.10 and full size it retails at £8.99 and you can get it at Superdrug. Amazing. So let's have a look. It is just here. That is so cute. Anything that's miniature I seem to love. Like, I just think it's really cute. So that's it just here. Again, like it says, it's deluxe mini. Now, I like to save all my minis, and then when I go on holiday, I take them all with me. So I probably won't actually try this until I next go on holiday. Does it smell? Oh, it does not smell. It doesn't have a smell. It is a gentle skin cleanser, so I'm assuming it's not got a smell, so that it doesn't add any irritants to your skin. I'm very excited to use this. Currently, as a cleanser, I use the chamomile one from Body Shop because I like a gentle cleanser. So I'm very excited to try this one. And it's ideal to take on holiday with me, so that's perfect. So the next item is a Candy Cosmetics item, and it is a glow up primer and setting spray, and it just says, forget dull winter, this 2-in-1 shimmery primer and setting spray will keep you glowing all season long. This actually retails at £20 and you can get it at candycosmetics.co.uk. So this is what it looks. It came in a box. I don't know whether the camera is picking up how shimmery that is. That looks amazing. So it does start to clump, so I'm assuming you have to give it a little bit of a shake. I'm going to spray it on my hand and see. I've sprayed it on the same hand as I've just put that moisturiser, so I don't know whether it smells. Let's have a... It doesn't have a smell. It's not really picking it up on camera, but it does give it a nice glow. I've actually used one like this before from Makeup Obsession, which is like a sister brand to Makeup Revolution, and I absolutely loved it. The only problem is the glitter tends to clog up here, and you do have to run it under hot water. But I'm in dire need of a new setting spray, to be fair, so happy days. So the next thing is a Hask hair oil. Now, I absolutely love the Hask hair oils, so I would have been happy to receive any of the 3 that you can get. So the choices you have is a coconut, keratin and argan. Now, the one that I actually got was an argan oil one. And it retails at £2.49 and you can get it at Superdrug, but for as long as I can remember, I have always got this from Primark, and when it first came out it was like £1.50 for this exact thing, and it lasts you ages. So it comes in like a little bottle like this, and then you literally just peel the top off. It smells lovely. It smells quite lemony, this one. And it's just lovely. What I usually do is I'll wash my hair, and then before I dry it I just run a little bit at the bottom of my hair, and it just makes your hair so shiny. I actually prefer putting an oil on or a treatment after I wash my hair to actually putting a mask on. I don't know why, I just feel like it's easier and quicker to do. So this is a very, very good buy, and if you haven't had one yet, like in your Glossybox, or you haven't tried these yet, 100% pop down to Primark or Superdrug and get yourself one, because I promise you, you'll thank me forever. And it's a lot cheaper than the Moroccan oil, and it does pretty much the same thing. So the last item is a little extra treat that Glossybox has given us this month, and it is an off black fruit tea, and it says nothing beats a warming hot drink on a cold November night. That's why we're treating you to 2 delicious fruit teas. So we've got, they are just here. We have got this one here that is a post-workout happiness one. It has loads of ingredients on the back. Doesn't particularly say what it's going to taste like though. Oh, this one is forest fruits and ginger. It says brighten up at the bottom of it. My mistake. And then the other one, we actually get 2 in this, is spicy orange and ginger. Oh, if my mum gets these in her Glossybox, she will love them because she absolutely adores ginger. Oh, that's really exciting. So it says 3 minutes brewing time. It feels a little bit warm. I hope it's not loose tea. I hope it comes in a bag. Oh, it does. It comes in a bag. Oh, it's a posh one. It's one of them posh strainers. Oh, that smells so good. That one is the forest fruits and ginger. So So your teas, full price, retail at £9.98 and the extra treats are worth 84p, and you can get them at offblack.com. Right then guys, that is it. So that is my November Glossybox for this month. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing, even though it wasn't a traditional unboxing. I was basically showing you the products that I got in it, but I've not had a play or smelt any of them yet, so it kind of still was an unboxing. So thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and if there are any videos you want to see, make sure you comment down below. Alright, thank you so much for watching guys, and love you. Bye.